Hello friends and welcome back. So guys, today's session we're going to learn how to create a SOAP API. Okay. So in previous demonstration, as we discussed how to create a REST API, so video already uploaded on the same channel. You can go through this particular video. Okay. So let's start the demo. Click on APIs option to create a SOAP API. Here we have different options. Select SOAP and click on Create API option. Okay. So now you will be able to see. First option is import API from file. Then another option as well, import API from URL and create API from scratch. So click on that particular option because we have a URL. So go to browser. We required some SOAP endpoints for testing. So hit this URL, public SOAP APIs. Here we have a different public SOAP endpoints. So click on that particular whatever you required. Click on that particular option and copy this URL. Okay. First check it is accessible or not. Then go to browser, enter this URL and enter. So now it is accessible. Copy this. Go to Webmethods API Gateway. Paste this here. Here mention add integer. Okay. Then name you can mention as a this is a integer API, right? Calculator API. So calculator API type. We have different options. So data open API, raml, swagger, wisdle, graphql htl. Okay, version is v1, type is wisdle. Click on create. So guys, here you can see the API's basic information: name, version, owner, active, maturity, state, creator, description, technical information. These are the endpoints. If you want to access these endpoints on other site, you can use these endpoints. Basically operations, number to dollars and something, rest information, API mocking and documentation. Okay, if you want to download, you can do it. Scope, here you can see there is no scope. Policies, if you want to add any kind of a policies, enable HTTP, HTTPS, you can check there as per your requirement. Application, packages, analytics and tracer. So this all the details it depends if you have a any kind like any format where you have a requirement. If you want to mention some scope, some policy, some applications, some packages, some analytics, that time you can do all those things. Okay. And another thing, if you want to test the soap endpoints on your soap UI, so how you can do that? Open this soap UI. Okay. Here we have a option. Click on soap, create a new project. Okay. Mention the name as a calculator API and digital name you can paste it here and click on OK. Either you can do it from URL, either you can do it from digital, and we have the different options. So click on this request, double click, and here we need to mention some number input and click on test. So here you can see this particular output. So guys, the another way is, if you want like on premises you create a visual, and if you want to test this visual, test these endpoints on the soap UI, in that case you need to mention your authentication. So here we have authentication, username and password. Administrative password you can mention, administrative user you can mention here, and you can test the particular data. So that is the way. So visual related demonstration I also uploaded on the same channel. So I hope you like and enjoy this session. So that's all about today's demonstration. So guys, if you like this session, so please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned, stay happy and stay connected. Thank you so much.